This is the Camellia floor plan at Carmel Terrace. When you walk in the door to the side, you'll see a dining area and your kitchen. The kitchen comes with all major appliances as well as upgraded cabinetry. To the other side, you'll see your living room with a wood-burning fireplace. Through the door to the bedroom, you'll see the room. This is large enough to fit a king-size bed. To the side, you have a linen cabinet. The Camellia features 2 closets, each with a sliding door. At the back, you've got your bathroom that has a sink, a toilet, and a shower. Coming back out to the living room, you can see the patio. It's got a large patio that will fit a table and chairs. In this closet on the patio, there is a full-size side-by-side washer-dryer included. This is the Camellia floor plan at Carmel Terrace.